An EDI 214 transaction is a transportation carrier shipment status message that is used by transportation carriers, like trucking companies, to provide shippers with status updates on their shipments. This status can be shown through purchasing order information, date of shipment, times, proof of delivery, expected delivery, shipment organizations, shipment locations, shipment status details, descriptions of shipments, routing, and identifying numbers. Shippers typically require EDI 214 status messages based on various events, including carrier arrivals and departures from pickup locations. The purpose of this transaction type is to allow a transportation carrier the ability to provide shippers with the status of a given shipment. As this is just about every EDI transaction, the shipper that receives an EDI 214 may choose to send an EDI 997 in response. However, this is often unnecessary. Some trading partners may require this extra step. 1. Evaluating carrier performance. The EDI 214 makes it easy for shippers to determine whether a carrier is holding up its end of the bargain. By referencing the first and the last shipment statuses, the retail partner of other buyers can easily determine if the carrier met the determined transit schedule. 2. Management of reception faculties. Because the EDI 214 gives advance warnings of the location of a shipment and the time until arrival, this affords the retailer or other receiving entities the ability to adjust loading dock schedules and move employees around according to arrival times. 3. Verification of the entire transportation order series. Many retailers and shippers require an EDI 214 because it is straightforward to verify that the content of the transportation carrier status messages match those of the EDI 211 bill of lading, the EDI 850 purchase order, the EDI 210 invoice, and of course, the SCAC code. Ensuring all information matches accordingly enables the shipper to pay the carrier with the confidence of knowing the correct, agreed-upon order was fulfilled. Here's a look at how EDI 214 exchange could go if you invested in the right EDI platform. First, an EDI 204 motor carrier load tender is sent by a shipper, often a retailer, to offer or tender a truckload to a carrier. Second, your EDI platform creates and sends an EDI 990 response to a load tender to indicate that you'll pick up the shipment offered by the shipper. Third, your EDI platform generates an EDI 214 transportation carrier shipment status to inform the shipper of the status of the goods being transported. Fourth, after the successful delivery of the shipment, your EDI platform will send an EDI 210 motor carrier freight details and invoice transaction set, providing details of the freight charges to be paid for by the shipper. It's the automated sending and receiving of EDI transactions using EDI integration that improves the overall data transfer process between internal and external systems, applications, and ecosystems. Cleo Integration Cloud is an EDI platform that leverages proven pre-configured EDI templates, allowing you to spin up connections that work with the partner's EDI systems in days, rather than months. Check the description below to a link to access library of demo videos that go into detail about Cleo Integration Cloud's EDI capabilities.